SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which all things considered, essentially is genuinely huge. SLP most certainly faces obstruction at $0.003, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture in every practical sense truly is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the explicitly bears by and large has been laid out at $0.003. 16 November 2023. In this video we will all things considered walk you through decently all things considered. Smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified pressing issues, facts, what sort of is actually momentary cost expectation for fundamentally extremely smooth love mixture, generally is SLP a reasonably especially wise venture, which for the most part is very critical. Smooth love elixir support and opposition levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to jumping certainly beautiful profound into the SLP specialized examination, actually explicitly let us generally discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, showing how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the SLP specialized investigation. Explicitly sort of allowed us basically to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they essentially thought, which is genuinely critical. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,427,308,625 in an unpretentious manner. The decently truly complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $71,570,298,442 in a very kind of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 50.95% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outlined in an in every practical sense, all things considered, large way. Which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,187.91 level after a vertical development of 2.76%, most certainly fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 2.24%, coming to $2,056.88 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is very huge, which is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.27, following a value change of 1.06% inside a similar time period, which essentially is very huge. XRP the sort of in every practical sense, local coin of XRP actually really is up by 0.21 and presently exchanging at 64 cents, or so they sort of commonly thought amazingly. Furthermore, Solana came to $63.88 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.46% in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought. These occasions actually truly demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a truly descending bearing for especially present moment, or so they generally thought. Right now, and in every practical sense, general sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they essentially thought. Smooth love elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish sort of certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an especially significant manner. Support in a real sense in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers all things considered become kind of more sort of essentially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of for the most part further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which merchants essentially become move most certainly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher entirely in spite of mainstream thinking. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of pretty smooth love elixir, SLP, smooth love mixture execution, the especially fundamentally day-to-day outlined of truly smooth love elixir for the most part shows that the SLP cost especially truly has a sort of descending development with a 1.18% decline in essentially beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting that these occasions quite demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in an all things considered descending course for in every practical sense, momentary in an unobtrusive way in an unpretentious manner. The value worth of the by and large smooth love mixture (SLP) coin sort of is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part really is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, which basically shows that these occasions essentially demonstrate that the market generally is going in an extremely descending course for fundamentally present moment, which generally is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture value examination SLP cost examination for 16 November 2023, inside a very everyday time period, truly made sense of underneath, which especially shows that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment. Actually certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index RSI, moving extremely in every way that really matters, normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including very straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving pretty truly normal, EMA, to fundamentally break down the future development of the kind of smooth love mixture, which essentially truly is very critical. The especially relative strength file, RSI, shows that the SLP coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 34, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the beautiful kind of sine line after a hybrid, which actually most certainly shows that the value worth of the pretty really smooth love mixture, SLP, coin explicitly by and large, is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, by and large genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they most certainly thought. Smooth love elixir financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense, day-to-day outline, so SLP basically faces obstruction at $0.003 in an unpretentious manner in an extremely enormous way. While SLP's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, extremely signal truly is certainly conceivable at this reach, which entirely all plans, and that's what purposes shows yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the SLP specialized examination, basically let us in every practical sense truly discuss the very exceptionally current economic situations, showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the SLP specialized examination, quite the most part let us generally all things considered, discuss the by and large fundamentally current economic situations, which really is very critical. As per the ordinary turn, the pivotal prompt obstruction for SLP may truly be in every practical sense found at 0.0